All right, so I'm about to clean this stainless steel pan. It's actually quite a nice one. It's about 20 years old, and it's got this residue. Like I think it was spray oil, you know, non-stick oil or whatever. And bad idea to use it on stainless steel. And you can see that this is whoops, a Lagostina. I don't know if you can read that or not yet, and it's got the copper ply, so it's a pan worth hanging on to and taking care of. So the method we're going to use is we're going to boil it in this large pot. As you can see, it's quite large, and we're going to put baking soda in there and boil it. And through my research, I discovered this is one of the best ways to clean a stainless steel pan without damaging it or damaging the surface, which can be done with abrasive cleaners and steel wool and whatnot. So I'll get that going. Oh, actually, we'll pour the baking soda in there now. Actually, need quite a bit because there's a lot of water in there, and we'll see how well. We're just being kind of generous. There we go. That'll do. Turn it on, and I'll be back. Let's see here. Triple on high. Put the lid on it. This is an old pot. We used to have a restaurant, and when we closed it down, I brought this pot home because I like the size of it. Okay, I'll be back once it's boiling. Okay, it started boiling. Whoa, spilling water everywhere. Put this here. All right, I'm going to turn this up a little more. Yeah, and we're gonna see that. That's the baking soda action there. So we're gonna put this guy inside. I'll pull it back a bit. In there. There. So it's completely submersed. I'd say about a half an inch. The water's about a half an inch higher than the edge of the pan. But the really dirty part is definitely down at the bottom. Okay, so now we're going to let this just go like this for, I don't know, 15-20 minutes, and we'll check on it again. I'll be back. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes, so we'll do a check, see how well we're doing. Ooh. Man, I'm getting everything real steamy here. The bottom of the microwave was dripping, and anyway, let's have a look. I don't know. Looks about the same to me. So we'll give her another 10, and we'll come back and check it again. Okay. Down you go. Cover it up. That's better. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I think about another 15 minutes has gone by, and I'm going to check it again. Whoopsie. Yeah, that was silly. I'm awfully messy today. Alright, so we got it down to a slow simmer, or a low simmer, or something. Okay. Doesn't really look much different, but you know what I'm going to do? Is I'm going to take it over to the sink and see if it comes off with a little bit of persuasion. Okay, come out of the way. So let's just see. Okay. Sorry guys, being very careless there. Oh, that's hot. That's going to leave a mark. Okay. Let's see. No, that's baked on there, man. Holy moly. The rest of it's pretty good, but that is I'm going to have to make a paste of baking soda and water and scrub that. Well, I'll probably use the sponge so I don't scratch the surface, but wow, that's really big done. Okay, I'll do that, and I'll be back once the paste is made. Okay, I'm back, and upon further observation, I noticed it actually did take a fair bit off. Yeah, so, but I'm going to make a paste with water and baking soda and see if I can get the rest of it off. So just hang in there. Let's see what we can do. And I'll just use my hand as the stirring tool. Oops. Oh, apparently the counter's not level. All the water runs to one side. We want like a bit of a slurry, I guess. Yeah. I think we're there. Okay. So we'll get it up by the big dirty part. I'm just going to use this here Scotch-Brite. I guess I didn't really need to make so much, but oh my gosh. Wow. You see that? It's hard to see because it's almost gone. This is impressive. Wow, and that's only with the sponge. I'm not scrubbing. Baking soda and water. Don't need easy off and steel wool and SOS pads and all that. This is impressive. I haven't done this before, but now that I see how well it works, I will be doing this again on other stainless steel. But the boiling did soften it up for sure. The boiling and the solution. Okay. Wow. This is great. This is like 20-year-old pan. It's looking brand new again. I'll have to make another video of me frying an egg in it or something. Okay. Alright. I'll give it a rinse and we'll be back. Okay, I'm back again. And I ended up washing the pan with some soapy water to get rid of all the extra baking soda that was, still on the pan. So I did the outside and the inside, and here's the big reveal. Here's what this 20-year-old pan looks like now. That was baking soda and agua. Okay, flip it over. I don't promote Lagostina anymore because I think they're made in China now. But this version was made in Italy, I believe. But look at that, eh? That's high quality stainless. Cleaned up beautifully. So I hope you try this yourself if you need to. And keep reading posts on my blog. Okay, talk to you soon.